Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Muhammad Arham Apon. My student ID is 2200422153. Uh, Today I'm going to demonstrate my project on object-oriented concepts to the theme of this project was Savor the Favor of Health. I have used Java for the language here, and I have used IntelliJ as my IDE and GitHub as my version control system. Let's dive straight into the project. So if we run the project, first there will appear a main window. uh, let's see the health project window. Here are 6 buttons here: BMI calculator, checklist, exercise timer, chatbot, calorie tracker, and medicine list. They are the 6 features of this project. Let's check them one by one. First of all, let's go to BMI calculator. If I click on the BMI calculator button, it will take me to another window. uh, in this window there are 3 text fields. Each of them asks for something. It asks for my height in feet and inches. Let's say my height is 5 feet 5 inches, 5, and let's insert 5 here. And my weight is 72 kgs. Now if I press on the calculate BMI button, it will show my BMI. And there is also another feature with this. According this BMI, this is in a certain range of BMIs that is medically approved, and for this range I can get some suggestions, diet suggestions and uh, exercise suggestions. If I click on get diet and exercise suggestions, so it opens an PDF for me where I can see diet plan for fat loss and weight management. Let's say it says your BMI is between 25 and 29.9. So for this range it suggests diet plan and exercise routine for me. It does it for all range of BMIs. uh, that's all for BMI calculator. It calculates BMI and suggests me pre-made suggestions for that certain range of BMI. Okay, let's close this window. Now let's check on the second feature, checklist. If I click on checklist button, another window will appear. So this is a simple checklist. I can add tasks and remove them if I'm done with the task. I already had 2 tasks here: complete OP syllabus and drink water. Now if I add another task like take medicine, and now if I click on the add button here, it will add the task for me, take medicine. And when I'm done with the task, when I'm done with the work, I can simply select that here by clicking on it, and it will select the task here, complete OP syllabus, and I can press the remove button to remove it from the task list. In the same way, if I am done with taking medicine, I can just select it and remove it. That's how it works. I can add tasks and remove them when I'm done with them. Okay, that's all for the checklist. Let's close this window too. And for the third feature, I have a exercise timer. Mm, this is a simple timer to track my exercise time. If you can recall, in the diet suggestions and exercise suggestions, there are some exercises which are doing periodically, like I have to do it for 5 times each day or something like that. So for those type of exercises, I have this timer. I'll have to start the timer when I start my exercise, and it will start counting the time for me. I can stop or pause it, then I can start again. And when I'm done with my exercise, when I'm reached the time limit, I can reset it. See, that's how it works. It's a simple timer to track my exercise time. Not just exercise, I can track any kind of work with this timer. I can also track my studies and other things. This is how it works. So let's close it. For my fourth feature, I have an AI chatbot. Let's click on the chatbot button. It takes me to a window where there are one text field that asks for my prompt. I can get any type of health suggestions with this uh, chatbot, any type of health suggestions and also other suggestions. I have used Gemini API for this one. It communicates with the Gemini AI and creates response for me. So let's say my prompts, I have some particular problem, like I am facing hair loss, how to solve it. I am 22 years old. So that's my particular problem. I can ask Gemini for the answers. Say it's thinking, meaning it's generating the answers. It takes some time. See, this is my response. Concerning, but this is definitely something you can address. See, it has created a list of solutions for me that I can follow to solve my problem. If I ask something else, like is soya oil good for health? Now I have a small typo here. Oh, this is a valid product, I see. So it generates answer for me, and that's how I can get any type of health tips and advices from Gemini using this chatbot. So let's close this step and let's move on to the fifth feature here, calorie tracker. So if I click on it, calorie tracker, uh, so how this calorie tracker works, I have to enter every day. I have to enter my name of the food that I have taken and the kilocalories for that, the amount of kilocalories that goes into my body for that food. Let's say I have eaten rice, fish and curry today, just only these three things. So uh, I can input the amount of kilocalories based on these three food. Let's say I have eaten rice and it has 200 kilocalories. I can add it. Let's see, my total calories is 200 for today. And I have eaten curry. The kilocalories for that was 600. So I can see now the total calories 800. It keeps track of the total calories on daily basis. It keeps track how many calories I have taken for each particular date and stores the total data in a file. Now if I add show previous records button, it will show the previous records of my calorie intake. Like on 24 March 2025 my total calorie intake was 556 kilocalories, and for today let's see, it's 18 April 2025, my total calorie intake is 800 kilocalories. So that's how it works. Now I can also add something new. If I have eaten, let's say I have eaten burger, which is not good for health obviously, and total calories is 450. Now I can add it and my total calories will turn into 1250. Now show previous records, my new total calorie intake is updated. Now it's 1250. So that's how it works. And let's see our last feature for the small project, that's medicine list. This medicine list can track uh, on which weekday I have to take which medicine at which time. So you can see there are 7 options here, all the days of the week, I can click on them and see particularly on that day which medicine I have to take. I don't have any, I have not given any input till now, so there is nothing here. Let's add some medicine. So if I click on add medicine button, it asks for my medicine name. So I have to take Napa. Okay, Napa, and enter times, let's say 8 a.m comma 2 p.m, and enter days. uh, Suppose I have to take it on Monday and Wednesday. Monday and Wednesday. Okay, let's click on okay and see the on the Monday the new medicine is added, Napa, times 8 a.m 2 p.m, days Monday and Wednesday. Let's go to Wednesday. See, it also shows the same because I have given input Monday and Wednesday for the date, for that weekdays. And now if I go to Tuesday, there is nothing here because I didn't give Tuesday for Napa. And let's add another medicine, uh, Max Pro. Okay, I have to take it like one time, 6 p.m, let's say. So I can enter days. Enter days, I can give here Monday comma uh, Friday. Okay, okay, so still nothing on Tuesday. And if I go to Monday, the two medicines, Napa times 8 a.m 2 p.m and Max Pro times 6 p.m. And if I go to Friday, there is Max Pro times just 6 p.m. And also I can click on let's go to Monday. I can click on uh, medicines and to press the remove selected button to remove them. See, my medicine is removed, Napa is removed. So let's close this window. So thank you all. That's how the project works. Assalamu alaikum.